Hey everybody, how are you? I hope you're doing great. Today it's another design, one balloon figurine, and it's gonna be the monkey. I know if you're checking the playlist, one balloon figurine, there's another monkey just using one balloon. So this is the best part. There's always different ways, even that is with only one balloon. So now this is another version, and you tell me, what do you think? If you prefer maybe this one, because it's all depending which technique do you prefer. So this is kind of like a fun way to also represent the tail. So that's another idea to tell me, what do you think about the representation of the tail? And also the mouth, the face, kind of cute. And really, it's the whole idea that helps playing with the colors. The colors for each animal can be very helpful. So in this case, mocha brown will be the best choice for a monkey. But if someone asks you for a pink monkey, give it a try. I'm sure it's gonna work, because then the other factor, it's gonna be the Sharpie time. The Sharpie time can also help. And some little details that vary and change. That if it's, for example, a monkey, well, this can represent a tail, wherever is the left, the end. If it's gonna be a hamster, you don't have to make this. You don't have to make the ears that big and stuff like that. Well, that's kind of the whole process, how to I decide to create things. I play with those details, characteristics, and sometimes I have to take a decision. What is going to be the most important characteristic for me to keep or to take it out from designs? Okay, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. If you're watching this video, you're starting, you've been already seeing all my videos. I always invite people to like, comment, subscribe, and I do it right now, so then you don't forget. Just give it one moment. It's a ping, thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. That totally helps. Also, you comment, say, hey, I'm here, thank you, or blah, 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 anything. Just blah, blah, blah. But just leaving a comment, even a heart and smiley face, whatever, it helps a lot to this channel. And also, there's more ideas how to support this YouTube channel. Just check below in the description of all my videos. You will find ideas how to collaborate with the channel. There is a Venmo, PayPal account. You can donate money. Every dollar counts, because then I can save to get something great for the channel, or for just motivate myself, because it totally helps, like bring and share ideas. Every time someone's, collaborate, sending balloons, sending markers, it makes me feel like, yeah, there's people around the world appreciating this awesome channel. So there you go. That's the invitation. And now let's start doing this. Tag me. At the end of the videos, each tutorial, I like to share the pictures of people that tag me. A lot of times you like this design, you made it, take a picture and then share it with me. If you don't have Instagram, if you don't want to tag me on Instagram, you can always send it as an email. So send me an email to alpacaglobal@gmail.com. And that way I can see how you made your design. You can have even variations or better Sharpie time. And those things can help, others also to see there's kind of other ideas. Why not? As much as we can share, the better, right? Okie dokie. Now let's start it. You will need a balloon brown. That's the best color. You can try with another color. I think it's gonna be okay. But I'm gonna go with a 260 brown. And I'm gonna inflate it leaving 6-finger tail. So 6-finger tail. Always lose some air, so then it's easy, soft, and squishable. Okay, then I'm gonna measure something like 8 finger long, but I'm gonna cut it. But okay, you measure 8 finger long, and then kind of leave 2 fingers approximately. That is gonna be where you're gonna cut this. Okay, 2 finger extra, and then you're gonna cut this, so then you have a space to tie it. That's pretty much my intention. So I'm having some space there, plus the 2 fingers that I left, I think it's gonna be okay. Now this part, I lose some air in order to have balloon to tie, and then I tie it. Okay, so I have this, and it's still pretty much 6-finger tail, okay? And with this piece, I have 2 fingers on top of the 8, so that's 10, but I'm gonna lose some air, and then I'm gonna tie it. This time, I'm gonna tie it just like this, because I want to have loops here. So 4 finger each is gonna be okay, because in a moment this is gonna become like a loop. You can do it right now if you think it's gonna be good for you, but you can do it later too. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say. Let's see what happens if you do this now. I'm twisting there, 4 finger each, tighten. Okay, and if it's something squishable, things are gonna be much easier. And then you can bend it, and then you have 2 loops that is gonna represent the ears. Okay, if it's something squishable, the idea is to have a space there in between. That's another way. Then from the rest, you can have even these loops there, stuck there between your fingers, while you are just here making like 4-finger bubble, another 4-finger bubble that is gonna be twisting together. So that's the moment that make sure before you twist together, you're gonna put this in between, just right there in between. So twist together. Okay, twist together to make sure you always keep this part to pass it around, to just make sure things are gonna stay, you know, and it's not gonna hem and twist. So you have something like this. Okay, so that's representing pretty much the face. If you leave longer, you will have probably longer, but I think this is totally good enough to represent the ears of a monkey. Okay, now from here, you're just gonna make 1-inch bubble, twist, pinch twist, another 1-inch bubble, pinch twist. Okay, now we're gonna just make here 1 pinch twist, but much bigger. So sometimes it's gonna be better like a 2-finger loop. Okay, like a 2-finger loop is gonna be much better or easier to make. There we go. So you're gonna get something like this. You're gonna come accommodate the bubbles, but you have something like this. And this is gonna be pretty much what is gonna be representing the head of the monkey. Now from here, you can always start just kind of like, oh, you know, this is how I see. I have all this, and I have to make the rest of the body. I'm gonna measure like 1-inch bubble for a neck, and then from there I'm gonna make small bubbles. Okay, 4 bubbles of those, 2, 3, and 4. So you have that. Look what I'm doing here in the back. I'm kind of keeping the pressure so then it doesn't squish all the way. So they might still have some teeth and some space for the rest of the, because it's gonna be 4 more bubbles for the back legs. So these first 4 bubbles, you know, this is the neck. The first 1-inch bubble is the neck, and the rest ones, the 4, you're gonna twist it together, and that's gonna represent the front legs. Okay. Then from there, you're gonna repeat and make kind of here 1-inch bubble, and then make another 4-finger bubble. So look how I keep my hand like this, and kind of like playing with the pressure by giving some pressure from here, right there. So then you have 4 bubbles, and then it's gonna still, you know, kind of regulate in the air. That's what I do. But sometimes, you see, I grab it like this, I'm squishing by playing with the force of the bubble. So then I have enough. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is kind of tight, yes, but it's okay, because the way I'm thinking is I'm not gonna bend this. I'm gonna do it with Sharpie, the tail. You will see. So you're gonna have these 4 bubbles and twist it together. Now, you have something like this. Okay, now from here you can even, I like kind of like the side, the head to the side. And this, if it's too tight, don't twist it, don't bend it, just leave it like that. Remember I told you 6-finger tail? If you think you don't have enough space, you can always give it more finger tails when you inflate your balloon. That means instead of 6, play with 7 or 8-finger tail, you know, when you inflate your balloon. Okay. Now, what else from here? What else? Oh, eyes. If you have your sharpest, your markers, it's gonna be, I think, always better because you can make bigger eyes or the size you prefer. In my case, look, I have also sticker eyes, but they are not that big, you know. And I already tried with a hippo, and it's kind of like, I'm gonna show you how I can cover, you know, as much space you can cover, even better for this monkey. So I'm gonna start with a line to define where I'm gonna put the eyes, and then I'm gonna go up with a kind of like this. Then make a circle in the center. If you want to have your monkey with blue eyes, you can put it now a line blue, a line green around the black spot. But I'm gonna keep it simple. Then from here, the nose, it's like right here. Look, it's gonna be better. It starts there. And make sure you have a good Sharpie. Well, I don't have a good, I'm making kind of like a triangle or even a heart you can make. Okay. A roundish idea there. And then here, the smile and the monkeys as long as you can. So something long, and it's gonna go right there. From one side to the other one, make something maybe like here, like a little, this thing. Okay, and then here, just something that comes out. And a line, pew. Okay, them eyebrows, you can make it with eyelashes, whatever you prefer. Here, even some hair coming out if you want. Okay, it's up to you. It's not really just also, what is the word? Experimenting. With the white, whatever you use with your black, the white always gonna help. Just pass it around, maybe add some dots, cover, makes you see things much better. And then also pink also helps a lot. Okay, to cover this and also have some cheeks all the way to the pinch twist because there's no more space there. And that's just my representation of a monkey. If someone asks me for a monkey and I want to just use only one balloon, it will be this. Really, with practice, it's not that complicated. It's not, you just figure it out. Oh, that's how it goes. With one balloon, you can make a balloon dog. Even the same idea, you can use it for a balloon dog, just less air. Maybe the ears can play different. So yeah, why not? Here, how I make that, I grab my brown. If you don't have brown marker, go with black, it's okay. And kind of like goes like this, look. Goes from here, the connection here, and then goes up and make something like this. That's for me my representation of that. You can go one more time to make it even thicker if you want, but with one, it's gonna be fine. Because at the end, it's a representation. And remember, there's another other ways to make monkeys, and it's with 3 balloons or 2, 4 or 5 or 6. So, but this is the version of one balloon design. If you check out my YouTube channel, there is a playlist that says animals. So this design, it's gonna be there with the animals. And there's gonna be probably other monkeys, but with different techniques, using other balloons, like linking balloons, like balloons 260 but 3, So this is gonna be there, and I think it's adorable. And this is the fun part. Sometimes playing with one balloon design is cool, it's cool. It's like a challenge yourself. If you, for example, thinking, oh, it's Easter, well, you can always get stickers that say Happy Easters and attach it any place around your balloon, or the hearts, or stars, just because I'm thinking if it's Valentine's and I see, for example, here a green heart and a monkey love the jungle. So you can just represent it, put it right here. So them kids you feel special, where to get stickers? Amazon, Temu, AliExpress, Etsy, right? There's a lot of places online, or even on Home Depot, Office Depot. There's many different places, but the idea is trying to, play with the stickers, and that's kind of like idea of adding some bling, some extra touch there. Imagine with lights, you put a light inside, and this can be part of or a decoration. So you can make bracelets, and it can be there on a bracelet. If you don't want to invest into another balloon, well, you can have wristbands or hair ties that you get in the dollar store or even online, and you can put it somewhere to attach it. Like, for example, if I put it here, it's going to look like it's standing. So I'm just going to pass my wristband through there, create like a loop to get it stuck there, and then you just put it into the kid's hand, and they love it. Look, it's It's a very cute monkey. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Don't forget to leave your thumbs up, your like, your comments, and stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel because it's like every day pretty much you will have videos to watch. And it's all about balloon twisting and how to learn to twist and techniques, and also enjoy this awesome hobby, art, whatever you want to call it. Just have a good time. Oh, look at this, the nose, because I make all kind of like a circle or a heart. You can use with Sharpie, like the idea of the nostrils. So it's kind of like opposite, right? Instead of be black, you just make black nostrils. Here it's just the idea of represent the nostrils like this, and it can be another cute idea, right? Okie dokie, have a wonderful day. I want to invite you, all of you, and even if you are watching this video in 2020-50 or in 2020-25, all super far away in the future, I hope this awesome balloon convention is still going on. Why? Because there's been for 10 years a balloon convention. It's named Las Vegas Bling Bling Jam. So this year, 2024, is having their 10th anniversary. And I already have the chance and the opportunity to go the past 2 years, and I can recommend it. It's a very beautiful environment with a lot of friendly people that love balloons. So we have these balloon classes, balloon workshop, balloon jams, and also parades and party. And it's a 4-day balloon convention. There is one extra night that if you go earlier, but it's only for adults, in case you want to enjoy, if you're an adult. If it's not, you can enjoy the 4 other days that is so totally friendly, family friendly. And it's all about the love of balloons, learning balloon, twisting in person, which is really cool. And well, I'll be there. Like past 2 years I was there teaching, but this year, 2024, I'll be there, enjoying each class, the jams, and having this time to meet you. If you have the chance to go, that will be a better place where to meet and still twisting and jamming and learning together. So there you go. That's my invitation. For more information, check out the website www.blingblingjam.com. You will see there the dates, the prices, names for the hotels. Also, when you register, you will have access to coupons for discounts for the hotel. Also, when you get in the hotel, you receive coupons for discounts on food, for restaurants. So it's something really cool. And every day I know there's going to be coffee because this is a wonderful thing. People that goes to this convention are super awesome, and they can afford, well, they're very generous, and they sponsor the idea to bring and provide coffee for everybody. Water, of course. And there's going to be one night that is going to be pizza night. And it's all provided thanks to, to generous balloon artists too. I hope one day I can do that. But in the meanwhile, well, the way I kind of like feel, my appreciation and what is gratitude, to have this experience before, is to share my experience with others and recommend this balloon convention, because I think it's one place that I love it. It feels like a dream going back there and see everybody again that are there. It's like the time is just boom, stop, and then boom, now I'm back. But like bam, like it was yesterday that I seen everybody there again. It's a very nice feeling. Okie dokie, have a wonderful day and see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.